I'm just here looking at baby clothes. Good morning, fams. Good afternoon and good night. Workout is done. Mission accomplished. So it's time to get my day started. Workout was good this morning, even though I didn't feel like working out, but I got up. I stay motivated, I stay focused. I remember why I need to do this, because you know, sometimes when I don't work out, I feel so guilty. I feel like I cheat myself. I feel like I just don't feel right. I'm not in the right frame of mind. So working out do so much more for me than just helping me on this healthy fitness journey. It makes my day more stable. It makes my day more focused. It makes my mind feel free. It makes me feel more relaxed, even though you're tired. But workout does so much more for me. Hopefully you guys get your workout in. I'm about to get my day started. Tell you, I want to say good morning. My Bobo is here watching TV. He's been such a good sport as usual, chilling when mommy get his workout in. Tyler, say hello. Tyler, say hello. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say good morning. No, good morning. Say hello. He's not talking to you guys this morning, but he wants to play. Yo, little ugly. Yo, little. Hey. I love you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Mama's gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. Okay, you guys, so baby's off to work as per usual. It is Friday, okay? Make it a good one. Hopefully you guys have an awesome weekend. It is looking super good outside. Look outside, you guys. It is a little bit sunny. The sun is out, unlike yesterday where I couldn't see the beach because it was that cloudy, but it's looking up today. Tyler and I just went to the bin, and I didn't even have to put a sweater on, either of us. So you know that it's starting to feel a lot like spring is coming. So that is awesome when you really don't have to put on all these clothes, man. Yeah, yo. Yeah, I'ma get you. He loves to play. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Look at him. He's so funny. So baby's off to work as usual. It is Friday, but I don't think he'll be coming home too late today, because we might have to go to the supermarket this evening because we're having a blast weekend coming up. We're having a huge weekend coming up. Both days we won't be home. We'll be out and about, and of course we'll be taking you guys along with us as per usual. You little goodly, you little, come here. We'll be taking you guys along with us as usual. So hopefully you guys get your workouts in. Get your workout in, you guys. It doesn't really matter how small it is, like I always tell you. Just do something. He said just do something and it will all add up in the end. You'll thank me later. Oh, the Jamaican expression for today. You want to tell them what's the Jamaican expression for today? The Jamaican expression for today is things are gone. Things are gone can mean two things. So let me use it and let you understand more what that means. For example, in Jamaica, the communities have a lot of streets and lanes. That's what we call small roads, right? So, for example, if violence is happening, somebody will say to me like, Mel, things are going down the road. They're simply telling me that something is happening in another street. English, saying, Mel, something is happening down the street. So that's one way of using things are going. A good way of using things are going is when you're looking good, you upgrade yourself, honey, you do your workout, and you ain't wagga wagga, but no, you're all sexy and petite and dressing all nice all of a sudden, and somebody see you and say, ooh, Mel, things are going. Mean you're looking good, you're fine as hell, and you're content with yourself, and you're stepping with confidence and all that good stuff. Make sure things are going today for you, okay? So there's two ways to use things are going, in a bad way and in a good way. But make sure you take away the positive from all of this. Things are going. You get it? Make sure you get it. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. Hopefully things are going for you. I'm going to jump straight into my day. I'm going to jump in the shower, look after breakfast, then I put my little Bubba to bed after he have his morning fruits, and we'll catch you guys later. You're wondering why I'm looking so crazy? That's because Tyler's done for a nap and I am going to wash this bad boy because I have a busy weekend and I won't have any time to take care of my hair. So I'm going to do that right now. It's all done. The shrinkage is real though. But that's okay. Man, natural hair struggles. Hair is all done and Tyler is still sleeping. It's almost 2 p.m. so I need to go and have some lunch before he wakes up, even though I think he might wake up before lunch he's even ready. But let's see. You ready to go to the park? Mama. Yes, baby. We're going to the park. You guys, Tyler and I in the elevator heading to the park downstairs. Go! Come on, go! We're going to the park? Hmm? You're going to the park? It's bright and sunny out today, so I'm just taking him to the park for him to have a little fun. It's a little bit chilly, but the sun is out. You had fun? You had fun? Take your time. Take your time, Papa. Take your time. Baby's home, but baby's home and we are on the road running some last minute errands. Give me a hand. Come. Whoa, go on it. Ty. Whoa. Go. Yay. Go. Go on it. Go. Go. Go, Tyler. Go, Tyler. Hey. 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 Go, Tyler. Hey. 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 You guys, I still haven't found no earmuffs for Tyler, but I'm just here looking at baby clothes. Okay, baby clothes. Don't you guys just love looking at baby clothes? Somebody's having baby fever. I'm in my feelings having all kind of baby fever right now because these baby clothes are too cute. Okay, too cute. You guys, isn't this the cutest thing? This is a parents and kid matching pajama. That's the freaking cutest thing. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. So it's officially the end of the night. Well, the end of the night for the vlog. I am pretty disappointed because I didn't find the earmuffs for Tyler that I wanted for this weekend. But
well, we just need whenever we see it
to just buy it and not wait on the appointed moment. Yeah, because we saw it but we can't remember where we saw it, and now that we really want it we can't find it.
Well, it's gonna finish like it's always finished when you can't find a thing. Go online.
Yeah, probably we're just gonna have to order it online, but hey, it is what it is and things happen. I'm just gonna have to see when we're there if he can manage the noise. We're just gonna have to see when we get there. But yeah, we went to the supermarket, we ran some errands, and we got back home. Tyler actually fell asleep in the car, so I take him from the car and put him straight in his bed. So he's knocked out and he's sleeping, because when we got back it was about 8:30.
Yeah, well,
I was about 8:30, so it was past his bedtime, so he's sleeping. Oh babe, the Jamaican patois for today is things are gone.
Things are gone?
Yes, not things.
Yes, things. Yeah,
things are gone. You know what that means? Things are gone can mean two things.
Like it's WhatsApp.
No.
It's going well.
No.
No.
Let me explain to you what it means. If somebody said to you, like, you know, in Jamaica you have some little roads that we call lane or street.
Okay.
So if somebody said to you in a bad way, like mean violence is happening, for example, you live where I was living in Portmore, and somebody come and say, Mel, things are going down the street.
It's
mean
dangerous.
Violence is happening down there.
Okay.
So say, Mel, things are going. That's one way of how they use it. Another way of using it is say, when you dress up nice and looking all flashy,
things are going.
say, Mel, things are going for you.
Like you're on fire.
Yes, honey. Yes, say things are going.
Things are going.
Yes, honey, you get it? Make sure you get it. So there you have babe take on the Jamaican patois for today. And
things are going.
he got home from work and we just rushed straight on the road. We got home and we ate. What did we eat, babe? We won't say what to eat. we got home and we ate and we watched a movie which was really good. Babe know me. He know his woman. He always chooses the best movies. I can't remember any time that babe has chose a movie for me to watch and I'm disappointed. Have I? He always chooses my movies. He knows me. Anyway, you guys, enough of the chit chatting. We're just going to go ahead and end the vlog and take off my second face and go to bed. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and as per usual, if it's not your first time, thanks for always coming back, and we love you guys, and thanks for continue helping us growing. We appreciate every single one of our faves. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.